Okay, so good morning everyone. In the previous video, we have done our chapter adjectives, in which I told you the various types of adjectives. There were 6 types: adjective of quality, number, demonstrative, possessive and interrogative. Out of all these, adjective of quality shows comparison. So today we will be doing degrees of comparison. When we compare the qualities of one or the other person or more than one, there we need the degrees of comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison in adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, for example, adjective of quality, a sentence is Ram is a tall boy. So here the quality of Ram is that he is tall. So when we are saying that Ram is a tall boy, which means that there is no comparison, we are only talking about Ram and his quality, that he is a tall boy. So that will come under positive degree of comparison. When we are comparing Ram with, suppose, Sham, Ram is taller than Sham. There we are comparing Ram with another boy whose name is Sham. So we are comparing between 2 boys, that is Ram and Sham. There we will use the comparative degree, where comparison is between two boys or 2 girls, or means 2 people. Then comes your superlative degree, that is the 3rd degree of comparison, where we are comparing one person with more than 2. Means Ram is the tallest of all in the class. Ram सबसे बड़ा है, सबसे लंबा है अपनी class में. So here we are comparing this boy Ram with all the children in the class. There we use superlative degree. Now there are 3 rules which we need to understand. Now there are certain words which end with E, and they follow the rule that it will be ER or R or ST will be followed. R in the comparative and ST in the superlative form. For example, fine, it ends with the letter E, so its comparative will be finer. We'll add the suffix R and we'll add the suffix ST in superlative degree and it becomes finest. Then second is words ending with consonant Y, with consonant plus Y is there. For example, word funny, it ends with consonant N plus there is Y at the end. So its comparative will become, Y will be removed and IER will be added, and in superlative, EST will be added. So it becomes funnier, funniest. For example, he is a funny boy. It becomes our positive degree. He is funnier than him. वो उससे ज़्यादा मजाकिया है. Means 2 के बीच में comparison कर रहे हैं. Funnier. He is funniest of all. सब में से सबसे ज़्यादा है तो funniest. That is your superlative degree. Third is words ending with the single consonant. We double the consonant. Like here, there is only one consonant. That is G. So our comparative will be, we'll add double G and it will become bigger, and double G and EST biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. Other than these, there are certain words where none of the rule follows. The words, for example, beautiful. We don't say beautifuler and beautifulest, but we add the words as more beautiful and most beautiful. Another example I'll give you, that is intelligent. We don't say intelligenter or something like that. We say more intelligent or most intelligent. So in these words, we follow the word more in comparative and most in superlative. Thank you.